Okay, creating an animatic also puts up an important organizational process in video production. This is called shot planning. It's a bit harder to notice this with a storyboard, but with an animatic, you can visualize the smallest division of your film, a shot. One shot is one take of the film. Every time you cut to another camera, that's a new shot. A scene is a combination of shots and a segment of the story. A sequence is a combination of scenes that divides the film. A film is then separated into several sequences. With an animatic, you can organize the shots all the way to sequences, list out all the assets you need per shot, how long each shot will take to make, and therefore, plan how long it will take you to finish the film. This is great!